Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to the play day in the Asylum. And I'm working on the title to the journal, and it didn't turn out the way I was expecting it to, but anyway. So I'm basically using the Sizzix Tim Holtz Thinlits die. What is this called? Alphanumeric Classic. And basically all I'm doing is just I have a piece of cardstock, 60-pound craft cardstock, and I'm assembling the letters. I'm putting them together, and then I just drew a line over the top and bottom of where they're going to fit at. And I did that so I could die cut it out in the right order. And then I'm just going to put a piece of Scotch tape over top of it, and then I'm going to run it through the die cutting machine. So you see here, I'm just using a little Big Kick, vintage Big Kick die machine. And I have my little letters, and I'm keeping the stencil that it created. And because I'm going to use it to align the letters, like you see right here. And I basically just cut a piece of paper to fit all the letters, because this journal is going to be kind of tall. Because my letters are kind of tall, so I had to have something to make it like super huge to fit all the words, the title of the journal. So what I did was I used a stencil to align the letters, and then I turned my S backwards in the word Asylum, just to kind of give it that crazy, insane look. And so here I'm just using the stencil to kind of guide where my letters go, so they can fit in good. I just added some glue, and then art glitter glue, and then I'm just adding on the letters, and then I'm just going to remove that stencil, and then I do that until I have the whole entire title on there. And now I'm going to take some Tim Holtz mediums, gel medium, and then we're going to glue on the letters just to make sure they stay on secure. And then I'm just rounding off the corners of the edges, and then I'm going to start adding some paints and stuff. And these are just some basic acrylic paints from Hobby Lobby, and we have like yellow, brown, and black. And I should have followed the pattern or the technique that Brenda of Belasterworks used, but I didn't. I kind of added my own spin to it, and that's where everything just went bad. And basically all I'm doing is I'm just adding colors. Some of it I dried in between colors, and some of it I didn't. And then I just try to add water just to kind of give it a wash, to try to make some of the colors run in between the letters. But every time I would dab it off with the paper towel, obviously it picked up the colors, but my letters wouldn't show good like I wanted it to. And I wanted that black wash to kind of highlight the letters, but it still made the letters blend in instead of, I just messed up basically. But anyway, I'm just going to use this video to kind of let you know what's been going on with me. I haven't really made any videos lately. I got a lot of stuff going on at home. I'm in the process of moving. So, and I had planned on doing a giveaway at the end of March, but I'm not going to have time to do that. And I greatly apologize, because I hate saying I'm going to do something and then I don't do it. But just letting you guys know, I mean, everything's good, but yeah, I just haven't had the time to do like I want to do because of stuff going on at home. So next month I plan on if I can, I'll try to just do 2 giveaways. One for March, since I didn't do it, and then just another one in general. So, but yeah, so getting back to this, like I said, I would dry some of these colors in between, and then I would add some the Liquitex medium on there. It was in hopes that my letters would show, but they just still would not show right. So I'm just adding paint and just trying to see what comes up. You know, so we have some black paint over top of the letters, but it still isn't really working right. So I decided, okay, well, if the black's not working, let's see what some white can do. And yeah, it kind of helped a little bit, but you'll see. But basically all I'm doing is just layering and trying to see if the letters will stand out more. And then I decided to add a little bit of gray up against the white just to see if it would, like, you know, contrast. Since it was contrasting colors, it didn't really do the way I thought it was going to do. So yeah. And like I said, I was in the process of moving, so I've moved a lot of my craft stuff into storage, and including my sanding block, which I was wishing I had. So I had to take the scissors and improvise and try to scratch off some of the surfaces so that the colors up underneath would show. But if I'd have had my sanding block, I think it would have been a whole lot better. So here I'm just taking some translucent crackle paste and adding it on there, and I'm letting it dry, you know, like it's supposed to. And then I'm just coming through with some brown acrylic paint just to try to make the letters stand out. And it would not do right. But yeah, I'm determined to get it completed. So we're going to get this journal done this year within a month. That's my goal. So we got some more acrylic basics in between, and then I even later you'll see I even added some cinnamon just to try to give it some texture and stuff. But yeah. And so now I'm adding on some black acrylic paint just to try to give it that wash and let the letters, the black go in between the letters so that it looks highlighted, but it just would not do it right. So and just now I'm adding blue and I'm just putting on something. And when the paint was wet, it looked good, but once it dried, you still couldn't really see the black in behind the letters. So I ended up taking a Posca pen to it after this dried. And I also used a distress crayon as well. And then here, the final, I'm just adding some blue over top because I felt like it could kind of make the letters stand out more. And I just took my finger and went over the raised up areas. So. And then after it dried, I just added the Posca. I took a Posca pen and just went around each letter. But I did it off camera. And here it is. Asylum Journal for the Creatively Insane. And then you have your backwards S in Asylum. And then I have an exclamation mark for the I in insane, and then the backwards E in the word insane. That's my title. So if you like, and I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to assemble it and how it's gonna go in the journal. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.